everybody, and welcome back. So this is going to be my 50 subscriber special part 2. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the microwave like I did that marshmallow peep. So we got Sierra. Oh gosh, your face just got really enlarged. She's Sierra. We got White Phantom here.
Hi.
If I can control my face. Hi. Okay, someone go ahead. We're short people. We're not that tall, so we're on chairs. Oh, never mind. He's fine.
No.
Okay, it's just me.
Chairs are cool too.
Yeah, chairs are cool. Alright. I'm thinking just do 10 seconds. If I
right
can
now,
find the
and-
0. There we go.
He's here.
So we'll look at it. You can kind of see them because they're colorful.
Yeah.
Which is great. I don't really think anything's happening. Yeah, nothing.
Done already.
So let's do 20 seconds.
Oh, that's gonna be awesome.
I just really hope they don't catch in flames.
Oh, that would suck. Is that one blowing up?
Oh my god!
Oh,
I
God.
did not think that would be the
I
reaction.
thought they would just melt.
Yeah, I did not think they would blow up.
One
Oh my
second.
god. Oh!
Ew.
Ugh.
That's
It
awesomely
smells
awesome.
good. It really smells good though.
That looks awesome.
That looks. I want to touch it, but I feel like it would burn my hand.
Probably. It's been in there
That
for
looks like
this thing.
blood. That literally looks like blood.
Like bloody ketchup.
Okay, let's see
Just
if
so
we
good.
go a little more.
Oh my god.
A few more seconds. 20 more seconds. Let's see if it'll keep bubbling. Oh, the pink one's still expanding.
I feel like it's gonna blow up. Like, I really feel like it's gonna blow up.
Oh.
5 seconds.
Okay, come on, you can connect. Connect!
Boom.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh,
Ugh.
jeez.
Why? It looks awesome.
It smells so good. Okay, I think I'm gonna take. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. Ow.
That's like awfully disgusting. Could be good. Smells pretty good.
Can you get me a fork from right there?
Right here.
Yeah. Oh, now it smells like it's burning.
Look.
Okay.
I wish you like fell.
That would have been hilarious. Ooh,
Is it like hard? I
I think it is.
thought it'd be like sticky. I really want to try like that stuff in the middle.
Well, the stuff in the middle isn't sticky. The rest of it's like already hardened.
What?
That's weird.
It's weird. Hey, here.
Okay. That's just weird. I do not. Okay, that didn't work. Nope. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to hold it. Ew, it's already connected.
What? Is it like hardened? Oh my god. Well, obviously it's hardened.
Okay, well,
Still.
it feels like Jolly Rancher. It's kind of a little hot still. I'm gonna try and like.
Peel it off. What if it all came off and like one thing like, it just like dangles down?
Ugh.
That'd be awesome.
It's like that candy apple stuff. Okay.
Ugh.
Okay. I think we have enough for a taste.
I want to try the blue.
Well, we gotta try all of them.
I want to try the different part first.
Okay. So, I think here's 2 pieces. So.
I mean, it still tastes good. I mean, it smells good.
Okay, go ahead.
It's warm.
Or,
Still tastes like cherry.
or.
Not bad. It's like
That's the watermelon.
same thing.
Okay, here, get me doing it. Alright, you got it?
Mm-hmm. See, it doesn't taste bad.
It's the texture. Oh, it's stuck in my tooth. It's a lime.
It's all like sticky and stuff like Jolly Rancher. So
Alright, let's try
Not
the
too-
red. Mind holding the camera again?
sure. I'm the best cameraman.
I can't even get one piece! Okay, I'm gonna have to melt it again.
Wait, really? Wait, is it hard? Can I poke it first?
Yeah, go ahead and poke it.
It is hard. I thought it'd be like all gooey and junk.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Let's put it back in.
What?
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
You looking at it? You can still see it? Alright, I'm gonna put it in for 10 seconds. Just because I just want it to melt. I don't think it's really doing anything anymore. It's just kind of re-melting. Okay.
Is it still hard? Oh, that looks. Oh, that's about to hit you.
Oh, oops. Okay.
That'd be hilarious.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, it's better now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I mean, I probably should have used the fork earlier. But here's one piece.
Just the watermelon or cherry? That is cherry. Yeah.
This is cherry.
Other one was watermelon, but I thought it was cherry. It's the same thing.
This is gonna be, okay. So, go
You
ahead.
can try it first, though, because last time I tried it first. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. It's so naturally warm. It's so weird. It
It is weird, I've gotta be honest. Alright. Yeah.
tastes sort of like normal Jolly Ranchers.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was
Just
thinking,
with a
maybe
weird-
if you, like, suck on it like a lollipop, or like,
It's just with a weird texture.
yeah.
Like a really weird texture.
Okay.
And warm.
Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to get the cherryness off of this fork. It won't come up. There we go. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to read it.
Okay, every time you gotta rewarm it. And plus, now and then when you put it in and eat it, it's gonna be warm.
Go back down. Another 15 seconds, see if that helps it remelt. Is it doing anything? Doesn't look like it's doing anything.
It might help the texture, like you can get it up better.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for, is that it'll get it up better.
Oh, that looks so weird. It's better now? Okay, now sit down.
Yeah, sorry. There we go.
Try and get a better angle. Yeah, it's a good angle. Oh, that's a good piece.
Yeah, that one actually came off. One of the bees is shot into my eye.
Hey, oh, sorry, Sierra, I sort of whacked you in the face.
Okay, it is your turn to start.
It's my turn to start. Pour this.
Okay.
Wait, what flavor is this? Green apple.
Creamy apple.
It's just chewy. It's weird.
Okay.
I don't really like green apple.
Creamy apple's okay.
Fine. I'm not sure it's my least favorite, but I mean,
No, I think watermelon's my least favorite.
my favorite is blue and purple. See, look, purple. Look, we got
No, I think my least favorite is the purple. Like regularly. I don't like grape.
What's your favorite?
Blue.
My like all-time favorite is
Alright,
blue.
why am I asking?
I don't know. All-time favorite is blue, then it's probably purple, then I don't really care. Other ones are like equally not that good. Did you heat it up again?
No, I think I can actually get it off this one.
That's good.
Yeah. There's one piece. It's because most of this black stuff is there.
That's like really hard. It should like instead of like structural beams like glue and stuff, we should just use that stuff. 'Cause it'd
I
be super
know.
hard.
I don't know what she's doing.
She's probably like, I heard a feather drop.
Okay. Who tried last time?
It was no, it was
No, I was about to say it was you.
okay.
So,
Blue.
do you want the big or small
I don't
piece?
care.
Here.
Just give me one. Tastes like normal blue.
Yeah, it's good though. It's warm though.
It's a weird sensation when you eat it and it's warm. I love blue.
Okay. Now to try the brown.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I was like, can we try the brown now?
Okay.
Blue and
There's
green
a little
apple.
problem with that.
It's in the middle.
Yeah.
I wonder how blue and green apple will taste, so blue raspberry or whatever.
I swear, this thing's gonna freaking explode.
Yeah.
What is that? Hello. Oh, ew. Hold on. I don't think we should use this for it.
5 seconds. Woo!
3.
2.
Oh, you can feel the
1.
heat from the plate on the...
Wait, really? I don't feel it.
Right there. Right here.
You can.
Oh! Ew! Ew!
Wait.
It smells weird and in the bubble.
Ew. Wait, no, I get to try the black one now. And if I die, tell my story that I was awesome. And I got the patch here. Patch. Okay.
This is gonna be a show.
Yes.
Oh, hey!
Oh, dude, that's like perfect.
Okay.
You think it would be like all mushy and junk? It's weird. It sort of worked. I need like a not a screwdriver, like a crowbar.
I swear this is like a candy apple. Except less chewable.
Hey Sierra, how you doing? Rub. Everyone struggles.
Yes. Do you know if we can get a knife?
All this person. Knife.
Sierra.
Sierra, move.
Sierra, move your head!
What knife? It's like, which one?
A big knife.
Oh my
One of
God.
those. One of these knives. That's not a knife. That's a knife.
You're
Whee!
gonna use that.
I mean, yeah.
Oh my god. No, do you ever use like oversized knives for just simple tasks like opening like just a bag or something? You use like the most oversized knife.
Yeah, I use this to pop a hole in a can of whipped cream because the air went out and I knew there was still stuff in it.
I love doing that. Like opening bag chips, I get like the biggest like butcher knife I can find. And not just a regular knife. No. Hey Sierra, how you doing?
She's probably gonna try and climb on me.
Okay. Sierra's cool.
Oh, I'm getting
Just
some
like,
of-
what's happening?
Ugh.
What's happening?
How did this...
You're making like a box because you can see like the scratch marks. It makes a box. It doesn't taste good. Hey Sierra, how you doing? Sierra, what are you trying to do? Seriously.
She's like trying to climb on you.
Come on, Sierra. You got this. I believe in you. I don't believe in you anymore. Sierra, I believe.
How is this hard already?
Help. Oh god. Ow. Come on, I believe in you. Yeah.
There we go.
You did it, Sierra. Hey, Sierra. She's in my lap now. Okay. It's like some like whoops and like stab yourself in the face.
That would happen.
Hey, Sierra.
I don't like this.
Do we think we should like heat it up more? Or that just not help? I feel like it could help, but it also could. Sierra, you're gonna fall. Jesus.
Ow.
Sierra, stop. Ow.
Oh, child. Child.
You okay? Sierra.
There we go.
Oh my god, that was insane.
That was terrifying.
Yeah. I thought this was gonna fall.
Yeah, I was like...
I just watched it just twirling around. I
No.
was like, no, don't fall. Oh god. Sierra.
Why did you
Yeah.
shut up, you idiot? No. Stop it. I should not have done that. It's this piece that's still stuck.
Can't wait till like it comes out as like a perfect box. It's gonna be amazing, or not. Maybe not.
Don't do this at home.
Unless you're adults like us.
We're adults.
Shh. They don't know that.
Yeah, they do.
No, they do. No. Never mind.
I was supposed to say, my channel description literally says I'm a 14-year-old child.
Yeah, but you could have put it backwards and you're really 41.
My dad would be... My mom would be only 2 years older than me.
Oh, that'd be so weird. I would love to hear the story behind that one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to heat this up.
Yes.
Okay.
I said that like 5 minutes ago, but yes, we can do it.
How long is this video? Oh my gosh.
15 minutes.
Wow, that's not that bad. My usual videos are like 20, 30. Some of them are 40.
Two, one.
Oh!
Is it hot?
Weird.
Plate hot? Oh,
No!
I feel like it's gonna be like perfectly.
This stuff melted again. I'm gonna eat it.
Sitting down.
Woohoo! Getting a big piece of it. I swear it's a candy apple!
It's candy. Yeah. Let's see how.
Okay. I think I got two kind of good chunks. So I'm gonna go ahead.
Oh yeah, my turn. Here.
Hold up.
That tastes like weird.
That's why earlier I had a piece. That's now on the bottom. That's why I spit it out, because it tastes awful.
It's not good. No.
No, it's awful.
It's a weird taste.
You know what? Let's reward ourselves with Rice Krispie treats.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Guess we have to eat that.
Okay, well I guess we will see you guys later.
It's here.
See you, Nook. Hi, baby.
Rub.
Aw, so cute. Alright, I will see you guys later in another video. Maybe another one with
that was disgusting. Don't try it.
Do not do
Disgusting.
this at home.
Disgusting. Yeah.
Or at least do it faster than we did.
Yeah, it took us forever to do that.
Okay, so thank you guys.
You should have heated it up like 60 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, keep telling people about me. I will see you guys later. Bye.